So I want to show you how I changed out my headset Earpads for replacement ear cushions. You can see the lining of my old one was getting so bad and frayed, and it was just bothering me, and it was really getting to be annoying when little pieces would get in my hair. I was so glad when hubby ordered these ear cushions for me and showed me how easy it was to put on. And this is for my One Audio Studio Pro headset. You pull off the old one and then you can kind of slide it off, and that made it really easy. And I was like, how am I going to get the new ones on? Well, you look for the little notch in your headset. And then you take what I guess you could call the lip and slide it around the rim of the headset. It was so easy, and I was glad to be able to have a replacement that was softer, it wasn't fraying, and it really made my headset look brand new again. Now that hubby showed me how to do it, I would definitely get replacement ear cushions again.